Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's start with our cards. I deserve to be happy and make choices that contribute to this happiness. Absolutely. Shame and guilt. Feel them without judgment. Mistakes do not define your worth. Compassion and acceptance. Be true to who you are. Fear will not stop you from shining. I accept my life exactly as it is. Number 47. All right. Let's see what quotes we get today. Eight awards that do not exist. And stop trying to win them, okay? Working the most holidays or weekends. Never rested or took a break. Award for never said no to please other people. Have you ever gotten an award for spent the least amount of time and energy on themselves? Have you ever gotten an award for you didn't ask for help? Or being the most perfect person and staying the longest in a situation that didn't serve them? Or most likely not to make a mistake? You shouldn't have to threaten to leave in order to receive the love you need. Trauma says, I have to over-explain myself to be understood and accepted. Healing says, I am learning to trust my own voice and be comfortable with being misunderstood. My value is not determined by others' perception of me. Zara Boss. You are only rebellious in the eyes of those who cannot control or manipulate you. You look happier since you started loving yourself in the same way you've always loved others. Maybe we are here right now to create a new way of living on this beautiful planet. How can we help on a personal level? Do one thing at a time. What's on your stop doing list? And the last one today. One of the most sincere forms of respect is actually listening to what another has to say. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.